There's nothing more powerful than an open mind. Today's consumers are overloaded with messages, so they're getting really good at tuning things out. If you're going to get your foot in the door, you've got to open their minds to your business. You can do this with VideoKicks. VideoKicks is a video power tool designed just for the web. VideoKicks allows you to deliver persuasive, informative messages to potential customers, employees, investors, and the media. Your 2-minute VideoKicks might be used as a sales tool that communicates the benefits of a product or service, or it might be used to showcase your company culture for recruitment purposes, or to emotionally engage donors when fundraising. The VideoKicks possibilities are endless. Direct mail, email, social media, or trade shows. You can use VideoKicks to strengthen the impact of any of your current marketing methods. How does VideoKicks differ from a commercial? Well, in a few ways. First, customers receive directions to access your VideoKicks microsite via individualized communications targeted directly at them, making your video more engaging and memorable. Another difference, VideoKicks is completely trackable. We provide a video dashboard so you can see who has and is viewing your videos in real time. Then you can follow up with them once VideoKicks has opened their mind and made your brand part of their vocabulary. And VideoKicks is often more cost-effective than commercials. So how'd you like our VideoKicks? Click below if your mind is open to learning more about how this powerful and cost-effective tool can help you open minds, improve awareness of your organization, and increase your profits.